when you were approached for the role, actually being paired opposite Nagarjuna, how did it feel? Did it feel good or was it unconventional?
It was unconventional. That's why it was nice because the character itself is very interesting. I obviously Nagarjuna sir. I always liked, always admired his work. So when I got the opportunity and the offer, in my head I wanted to do this. But my first question was, what will be my character? And then when I heard the character, it was so strong and very nice. And these days we don't get such strong characters for girls, especially. And until you're there already, and then you'll probably get something strong. But here, I'm a married girl, and and no contemporary actress. I mean, I don't think people will be like really scared to play this kind of character. But I like taking challenges, and I took this one. And the thing which appealed me about the character is like she's a housewife, and very strong-headed, and she loves her husband to the core. But there's a lot of miscommunication, and but that's also the fun part. The way Ramu is so gullible, so sweet, innocent guy, and what will you do if you get a husband like that? Who doesn't even like look into your eyes and says anything, doesn't compliments you, nothing at all. So I was like, how am I going to do this? When he narrated me the story, especially my part, I was really excited. And then next day, Kalyan called me and we spoke about the character for an hour almost, And I told him this is what I feel the character is all about. Okay, she's like this. I had points written about this character, and he was like, "Yes, Lavan, this is what I want. This is what Sita is." And I can see Sita in you in appearance, But I was just worried that will you like literally sink into the character, but you did, and just in one day. So I think there was something which was very appealing to me, and that's why Sita happened. And I was really excited to do the character, and I hope I did the justice. So I'm just waiting for people's reaction. Atavada Duskelta, I'm a doctor, and then Bale Bale I'm a teacher. I'm a Kathak teacher, but all young characters.
Right.
So I think does not matter what age group what you're playing. There was a time in Kamal Hassan and all very good actors. I mean, they played all these characters, like literally like old people character. So I think an actor should be an actor.